Hey, this is Toe2 Bravo. It's April 30th. We're back out at the range. So this is part two. We weren't going to make a part two to the 8mm Mauser video where we shot the surplus ammunition, but we're going to make a part two today, and it quite possibly go to part 3 or 4, depending on if I can get a hold of any more ammunition. So we're out here again today with our Yugo 24-47 8mm Mauser. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of surplus ammunition that we're going to shoot today. I'll put some pictures in as I say the country of origin. I'll insert some photos. So we've got our Yugoslavian M49. Our Yugoslavian M75. Our Romanian. And our Turkish. .8mm Mauser ammunition. So we've got 4 different types. We've got the target set up at 50 yards. That's enough yapping. Let's put some rounds down range. You can see what kind of groups we can get out of these 4 different types of surplus ammunition. We are at 50 yards today. So let's go safety first, right? Get ourselves all set up. We'll start off with the M49 Yugo 8mm ammunition. All right, watch your lane. We'll shoot at the left side target first. So here we go. Shot number 2. Shot number 3. Shot number 4. And shot number 5. Here we go. All right, that was 5 rounds of the M49. Now, instead of breaking between each series, since we have 2 targets downrange, we'll shoot 2 series for the sake of time at both targets, at 2 different targets, obviously. And then we'll go down and compare groups and come back. So up next is the Yugo M75 right-hand side target. Here we go. Watch your lane. That was round 1 into 2. There's 2. Round number 3. Number 4. And 5th and final round. Here we go. All right. Let's head down range and see what we've got. All right, so we're down range. Our point of aim for both of these targets was the base of each target, the tip of the front sight post. at the base of each target. That's why these are low. Next series will be center mass, and that should change the pattern so we can have some clean groupings here. So this is the M49 on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Not too bad. Decent. Kind of a weird flyer there. Could have been me, but I don't think so. I think that was around. And over here we had one hole there already, but we have another one added there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's the M75 Yugo ammunition. So I don't know if my thumb gives some reference to that. Or how about a dandelion? So there's a dandelion. Give you a point of reference to the group there. Dandelion there. Oh, that's scientific for you. These one-man productions. So not too bad. Not too bad. So that was M75, except for the flyer, obviously. So let's go back and shoot the other two. And again, we'll change the point of aim to, on the right-hand side, it'll be the yellow box. On the left-hand side, it'll be the purple box. Let's head on back. All right, that was our first series. Next series, we'll start off with the Romanian surplus. Oh yeah, those. Wow, that stripper clip is in need of a little maintenance for sure. So we will remove that from the stripper clip. And we will manually load these, not a big deal. We just got these Romanian rounds in. They were affordable. All right, so left-hand side target, purple squares the point of aim. Just about center mass. Here we go. One. Two. Round number 3. That was my fault on the extraction there. Round number 4. And round number 5 on the Romanian stuff. All right, and last but not least, Turkish surplus. All right, right hand side center mass, yellow point of aim. Woo! Definitely feel the difference on the Turkish stuff for sure. Two. Three. That was 4. And 5. So we're coming up on number 5 here. So that was five rounds of the Romanian and 5 rounds of the Turkish. Boy, you could feel the difference in that Turkish ammo, let me tell you. Let's head on down range and take a look. All right, so we're down range. And our point of aim was here for the Romanian. And it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have the ever-present flyer. But if we take the main group of 4 and we use our highly scientific dandelion as a reference to the size of the group, it's about average. They're all about the same so far. Come back over here to the right side. Point of aim was here. And this was the Turkish ammunition side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No flyers in that group. And dandelion size. Give you a point of reference there. In all honesty, as we pan back here and we look at these four groups, we've got this group here, this group here, this group here, and that one there. Of course, we have that flyer, that damn flyer for that group. They're all fairly consistent. I really don't see one particular group that shot better than the other. Now, this point of aim was kind of difficult. This was the only tape I had available. I know that's not very scientific, but you know, it's very visually there. I mean, aiming at the base wasn't a big deal. So this group is the ammunition. Aiming at the base here, this group is reflection of that. And then aiming at this square and this square, I think that's fairly accurate. The grouping's pretty consistent. All the ammo shot well. I had no hang fires or anything of that nature. So I'm very pleased with that. The results here are probably that you're going to shoot about a 3-inch or 4-inch group at 100 yards. And whatever you're shooting at, you're going to hit. So I'm very happy with those 4 types of surplus ammunition. All right, let's do a bonus series. 5 more rounds of the Romanian ammunition. And see what we get. That's right. My bad. I forgot these stripper clips are completely in need of a little maintenance. They are not slide friendly there. Probably need oiled a little bit. So maybe that's something we'll take some time to do. Maybe it's not. So we'll hand load these Romanian rounds. 3, 4, and 5. All right, we're going to pick a different point of aim. We're actually going to go center mass in between the 2 targets, I think is what we're going to go for. So in between the 2 targets, I'll find a common point. Watch your lane. Fifth and final round. All right. 5 bonus rounds there. I really do like this Yugo 2447, man. This is such a nice rifle. Very nice. The only complaint I have with this rifle, since I've been shooting it, is the front sight post at the top is a little wide. You know, it would probably be nice to file that down a hair, but I think we'll just keep it as is. Let's go down range and check that out. All right, coming up on the target, we shot those 5 extra Romanian rounds. So we were aiming in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Size of my fist. I'll take that. A little looser set than the first series, but could have been my aiming point too. I probably should have taken some black tape and made some solid black squares in the center of these in hindsight, but overall it was a good shoot. Got no problems with that. All right, so this is Toe 2 Bravo. We had a really good shoot here at the range today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Ultimately, what I think we found out was these 4 types of surplus ammunition pretty much all shoot similar groups. And today, all 4 different all 4 types of surplus ammunition were 100% dependable. So ultimately, all 4 types of ammunition had very similar groupings. So kind of an inconclusive shoot. I think the next time we come out, I think I'm going to try to get something else to add to this. So we've got 4 different types of 8mm now, not counting the PPU. This is just the surplus stuff. So maybe I'll get something else, look for something else out there, get a 5th different type of surplus ammunition for the 8mm. And next time we'll spread it out. Next time we'll take it out to 100 yards and see what our groupings are. 100 yards with 5 different types of 8mm surplus ammunition. So this is Toe 2 Bravo. I appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. But beyond that, I appreciate you guys watching. And until I see you out at the range again, thanks.